Good morning, good morning, good morning, guys. It's a beautiful morning this morning. It's super early, 6:30. I got up from around 5:30 this morning. So welcome to Life Every Day. It's a beautiful day. It's my life every day. I'm sharing with you guys. It's super dark outside, guys. It's not even, there's no form of sun outside as yet. See, super dark. Gotta turn the lights on. Yeah, no, no sun, no nothing. You know, 6 a.m. I would say probably about 6:30. Then it starts to light. A little bit of light out there. So yeah, I'm getting ready. I'm heading out. I'm hotting my water. I think I'm gonna have some coffee. So I'm going a little bit longer in the days in terms of my fasting. So hold on, let me pause this thing in my ear. I got something in my ears. So I'm going a little bit longer as far as the fasting in the daytime. So I stopped eating at 8 last night, the day before. 8, nothing after 8. I could drink, but no eating after 8. I try to go to bed a little bit earlier. And I try to fast a little bit past 12. So, when making changes, never make changes, suddenly, like just cut it off cold turkey. Then, you'll have issues. Your body is conditioned to a certain thing at a certain time. Don't just cut it, you know what I'm saying? I used to eat by 12:30, the latest, somewhere there around. I'll eat fast till that time. So now I'm pushing it back to maybe 1, 2 o'clock a little bit. So with that being said, I'll have, a little bit of coffee in the morning time. That way it'll take away that hunger until that time. There's no specific reason or anything like that, or I do it, one, because I try to maintain my weight, right? If you Google it, I ain't gonna get into all that, but Google it. Fasting is good for you. Some people might disagree. Some people might disagree. I think it works for me because it helps me to maintain my weight, in terms of where I want to be, right, as weight wise. I still eat. I'm not starving myself or anything. I'm full all the way up until that time, right? I'll just drink liquids, water. I'll have the coffee. As I turn around, it's 12 o'clock. So I'll eat that time. I'll eat, mostly vegetables. For lunch, I'll eat either vegetables. You've seen it in the past. Shrimp with vegetables, fish with vegetables. I'll eat maybe quinoa or for the past 2-3 days, I've been eating eggs and pear. So, eggs, pear, and spinach. So, next week, I won't be eating any eggs, pear. I rotate these things. So, next week, I might just eat maybe fruits with, or vegetables or a piece of fish. I change it up every week. Every week, we change it up. That way, I don't eat too much of anything, right? Because they always say too much of anything is not good for you. Anyhow, I've started that, pushed it back, so I'm eating maybe like 1, 2 o'clock, somewhere there about now. When I eat that, I realize I'll be hungry by 7, 8 o'clock. So because that meal that I have is only eggs, like 3 eggs and spinach, pear, and then I'll have a fruit, maybe a mango or a kiwi to go with it. You know what I'm saying? So that keeps me until 5, 6 o'clock. But when it comes to 5, 6, 7 o'clock, I'm hungry again. So I'll be eating maybe a little bit of rice with some fish, or I had boiled bananas last night with a piece of fish and mixed vegetables. So as I said, I am gonna keep eating 2 meals, as opposed to 1, because I think 1 would be pushing it. Fasting all day and only eating 1 meal, I'll burn too many calories. That's not enough calories to make it through your day. I'm getting kind of thin, you know. I ain't trying to get or stay or look thin. I'm still trying to maintain my weight. I weigh around 150, 145. It fluctuates between there. I would rather stay there. One, it's the other reason. One of the reason why I stay there because of the weight. The weight, blood pressure. I have a little bit of pre-hypertension. They say it's not crazy where I'm always high, blood pressure. No, it's normal. Me doing this, it's normal. Once I get to 145, blood pressure is normal. But once I start gaining weight, if I go to like 160, 170 in weight, that's it. The doctor is saying that I gotta go on blood pressure pill and stuff like that. So with me being below 150, 145, 150, blood pressure is normal. It's excellent, as a matter of fact. I checked it the other day. I got one of these little blood pressure machines that I use. I got this and the other one that goes in your arm. And when I check it, it's pretty much always normal. It's just always normal once I eat like this or maintain my weight. You know what I'm saying? As I say, it's just always normal. So even with me working up myself, I'm gonna show you guys real quick. I'll check it real quick so you can see. Oh, hold on, guys. Yeah, so you know, as I said, it's a beautiful morning this morning. So let's check it. I'm gonna be quiet for a minute. One second.
Keep the cuff at heart level.
So
Your
see,
blood pressure is systolic
it's
pressure
119.85. I'm gonna recheck that because normally it's less than 119 and it's 70 something. But I got up and started talking to you guys and start moving around and doing all of that. So I wasn't relaxed. I'm not relaxed, but it's still good. You know what I'm saying? It's still good. So with that being said, blood weight needs to be where it's at, right? If the weight is not where that right, at 145, 150, that pressure is even 130, 140 over 90. You know what I'm saying? So with it being that high, definitely you'd have to be on some form of blood pressure pills, right? So I've noticed me eating like this, I'm pretty active. I'm on the road every day. I used to go to the gym, but I'm not going to the gym recently. I'm kind of taking a break from that right now because it's just so much to do. And then gym, if you go to the gym, it takes at least 2 hours out of your day, 3 maybe. By the time you get back and you're what do you call it? Fresh, take a shower, all of that stuff. But from the traveling time to the gym time to the time when you get back to get ready, it takes 2-3 hours out of your day. So what I did was I got the elliptical thing right here cleared out, out of the way, so that way I could, do a quick elliptical in the daytime. I could do like 20 minutes, 30 minutes on that without going to the gym. Sometimes it's even hard to just walk around the street. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, so let me make my coffee here and so I can get going. It's already 6:22, so I'm gonna make my coffee and head on out. I'm going over to the salon, get it cleaned. I didn't go there yesterday, so We're gonna have some Mountain Peak coffee. So yeah, with the coffee, guys, I'll rotate the coffee. I don't want to get up and drink coffee every day. It's just too much caffeine. It makes my eyes twitch if I have too much caffeine. So some days you'll see me drink water, right? Some days it's just straight water, no coffee, right? Coffee is just once in a while, as I said. It takes away the hunger. So if I get up early and I know it's going to be a busy day today, then I'll have the coffee. If not, I'll just drink water. And then, you know, if you're not, the reason why I say I drink coffee when it's a busy day, it takes away the hunger because you're moving around, right? So you're burning calories, right? Now this is just for me, guys. Not saying that it works that way for you, but when I drink the water in the morning time, if I'm super busy and I drink only water, what's happening is I get hungry by 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock. I wouldn't say it's weird, but that's what happens. You burn a lot of calories more than what you're putting in. You know what I'm saying? So, you know. So yeah, so drinking the coffee, it makes you not hungry when you're moving around a lot. You know what I'm saying? Well, that works for me. I'm not sure about you guys. Yeah, but for me, that's what it does. So if I know I'm gonna be busy and moving around like today, then I'll drink coffee. If I'm just gonna stay home and edit and sit on the chair and edit, then I'll drink hot water in the morning. All right. Today I'm gonna be moving around. All right. So it's 6 now. As I said, I won't be eating until 2 o'clock. Let's see if we can go for 2 o'clock today. All right. We won't eat nothing until 2 o'clock. We'll drink coffee, we'll drink water, but no food, no salads until 2 o'clock. All right. I do leave around 2 to pick up my daughter from school, so I'll eat that time and then go get her. Yeah. So yeah, let me head on out of here, guys. It's dark outside, so I'm gonna cut the film right here. Maybe when I'm driving, I'm gonna jump back on. But let me head out and head over to the salon. All right. So good morning. Thank you to the subscribers who've been subscribing to my channel lately. I appreciate that. Road to 100 subscribers. Road to the PEPPAZ project. Not 100 subscribers. I'm past that now. 1,000 subscribers. Welcome to life every day. It's my journey to 1,000 subscribers. It's also a journey in the PEPPAZ project. You know, I work at the salon doing cleanup stuff and all of that, maintenance stuff at the salon. So you'll see a little bit of that. You'll see a little bit of me. You'll see a little bit of me editing stuff. I'm right here in my house, in the kitchen. I'll be cooking sometimes. That's life every day for me. As I said, right now I'm heading over to the salon to clean up. It's 6:30 in the morning, 6:26. So stay tuned, guys. I'm gonna head out. See you at the salon. Alright, guys, so the sun is coming out. We're on the road heading to the salon. See, the sun is not even out yet, but just the skies are lighting up right now. That's it. Yeah, man, here in Georgia, that's when it lights up, you know. 6:30, that's when the sky starts to light up. 6:30. You know, different times of the year it comes out different. Some times of the year it's like 5 a.m. The sun start coming out, you know. It varies. See, the highway, people are on the highway already, you know. Yeah, beautiful morning. It's not hot, it's cool. You know, some mornings you get up, it's just muggy and hot, like sticky. You can know it's gonna be a bad day, you know. But the morning so far, a couple of days, it hasn't been feeling like that. It's degrees is right now, but yeah. So you know, I'm heading over to the salon. It's life every day. Try to get up early every day. Go to bed a little bit earlier. Get enough sleep. You know. As far as the PEPPAZ project, guys, we're still waiting on permits. Permits, the approval for the plans. We haven't even submitted for the permit yet. We're waiting on plan review approval. So once they stamp, you know, today is Thursday. Hopefully by tomorrow we'll hear something from the architect or the city, the county, and you know, hopefully we could get that stamp so we could take it to Swanee, you know, and get that building permit. So yeah, you know, we on it, guys. We on it. We're here. We driving on our way to, you know, salon to work, just like everybody else. You know, we heading to work, guys. Everybody got to work, you know, in order to survive. But yeah, we're gonna make today a great day. It's a beautiful day so far. No matter what, guys, when you get up, whatever issues is going on, everybody got issues every now and then. I got issues. Everybody got issues from time to time. There's always issues in life, you know. Just get up, deal with it. Let me pause this real quick. I got something playing in my ear. Yeah, just get up and just deal with it. You know, be happy. You know what I'm saying? Don't be, you know, get caught up on things that we have no control over. You know what I'm saying? The way to deal with it is just get up and just deal with it. You know what I'm saying? Just get up and take care of it, whatever it is. Some processes that we go through takes weeks, months, years. Just get up and chip away at it, guys. Chip away at it. Work towards whatever goals, whatever issues you're having. Work towards solving it, not just there complaining. You know what I'm saying? And that ain't gonna fix it. If you don't get up and do something to make that change, it ain't gonna happen. We could pray about it, we could do it. At the end of the day, you gotta get up and get it done. If you pray about it, pray for the strength to go and get it done. You know what I'm saying? Don't pray for hey, just solve the issue, or someone else comes and solve it for me. More than likely it's not gonna happen. Pray for the strength to get it done. Pray for, you know what I'm saying? Pray for even if someone's gonna help you and get it done, pray for the strength or the guidance or the help, you know, to get it done. Don't just sit there and say, hey, I ain't doing nothing, I hope somebody come along and take care of it. More than likely it's not gonna get done. Those prayers might not them email not gonna get open. So them prayers, they might not get answered. You know what I'm saying? So, you know, always be positive and you know, guys, try to get up early. You know, them always say early birds catches the most worm, and I know that works. When you get up early, you're thinking better. Your brain is not tired. You're more energetic. Well, I'm a morning person. I don't know about everybody else. Some people, they get energy in the evening. They don't get it in the morning. So whenever it's good for you, get up and get it done. All I know is early morning is you know, I think it's everyone. Morning time is the best time, when you just wake up and your brain is, you know, clicking. I don't see how your brain should be clicking when in the evening time you're tired, you're up all day, so much thing went on for that day. I don't know, maybe people are built different. I'm not saying that's not the way it goes, but maybe people are built different. So with that being said, just get up, do what you gotta do, and keep pushing, guys. Keep pushing every day. Right now I ain't gonna say I'm alright or I'm rich or I'm comfortable. I'm just keep pushing it. I'm gonna keep pushing till that day come, right? So you know, if you want it and you want to get it, you gotta go get it and get it done. You know what I'm saying? So I'm here now. I'm pulling up on the salon shortly. It's right around the corner right here. You know, I ain't try to hide this place or anything like that. We're in, you know, Duluth, Sugarloaf area. It is a business, so I ain't trying to hide the business. You know, I use this platform as a little media outlet to let people know that, hey, we're here. We offer that service as well. So it's a little bit of advertisement going on, so I try not to hide it, you know what I'm saying? See, we got Lifestyle Salon right there, Just Brunch Marlowe's. You guys could Google it, see where it's at. I hope no one is out there that's being malicious, that's gonna hurt me or hurt, you know, what I'm doing. But you know, I don't hide it. It's business. As I said, I'm putting it out here, but other people are here walking by every day, so I don't think it you know, and seeing it. So it's a business. My house, my home, I'll, you know, make that private a little bit. You see inside of it, you see me there, you see me on the outside, but I ain't gonna tell you and me pulling up on how to get there, you know what I'm saying? So, you know, as I said, you know, we on it, we trying to get these things done. Ain't no one here, guys. It's just us alone. Oh, they look like they're working on over there by the location over there. I don't know what they're doing, but looks like they doing some work over there. Yeah, I'm probably go check it out one of these days. They're doing there's a grease trap over there already, but I see them. Oh, it's probably on the inside. They're probably working on the inside. So over there, guys, they got a vape shop over there at the end. And they also got a ice cream shop, I believe it's coming there. So they got a vape shop and an ice cream shop, and then towards the end, I'm not sure what they're doing towards the end, but soon the plaza will be filled except for the end one. I don't believe he got the end one rented as yet, but it's a good look over here. It's busy. I don't think there's going to be any slowing down of business on, you know, this side of town right here in this plaza. It's doing very well. Yes, there's a little bit of slow times, you know, our tenants, they feel it sometimes, and business is kind of slow sometimes for them, but for the most part they do get work, and you know, people in the area do business and get you know, work. So this area is a little bit, I would say, better for business, although I do see them, you know, not fail, but slow down enough to where they can, you know, continue. Coffee, guys. Yeah, so yeah, it's a beautiful day. Let me go show you guys what's going on. Let me take this key out. I got my phone over there, put my case. I have a few things in the back to dump from the garage. I'm gonna put it in the dumpster over there. It's just a crate filled with some excess stuff. These are some electrical. Oops, hold on, guys. Let me flip you around. Yeah, these are some extra electrical stuff that needs to go over by the restaurant. I'm gonna, that's garbage. It's just, so I got a few things here I'm gonna dump. I got some screws over there. I'm gonna take that over to the I'm gonna take that over to the restaurant. But yeah, I'm gonna dump these things and get on inside. That's the salon right there. I'm gonna get on over there and start working. All right, give me a few, guys. Let me go empty these things. All right, guys, so we're here at the salon. It's not that bad. It's pretty much clean, guys. This bathroom is clean. We haven't been here yesterday, a day and a half now, and let's see, it's pretty clean, guys. I'm surprised. I'm really surprised. Yeah, I'm really surprised. It's just not even here. Apparently no one is here. It's just have a little tie right there. Hair tie. The mats are clean. It's just have there's just a little hair tie thing right there, and it's pretty clean. Pretty clean. There's another hair tie right here. Right there. But there's no hair. It's as if the barbers wasn't here. There's a little bit of hair right here, but all the ways are pretty clean. Bathroom is clean. I'm impressed. I'm impressed. It's too good to be true. It's as if someone came here and cleaned yesterday, but it's pretty clean. There's no lint in the lint basket. Microwave looking clean. The washer is clean. It's just one little fingerprint. So it looked like one person used it. This is weird. It's like someone cleaned yesterday, but no one came here yesterday. No one. I know for a fact no one came here yesterday. And so today is Thursday. Wednesday no one came here yesterday, and then Tuesday I cleaned Tuesday morning, and then after that no one came Tuesday. So it was here all day Tuesday and all day Wednesday, and it's as if it was clean. It could go another day. However, I'm still gonna brush it up and go over, you know, stock up on the toiletries and vacuum this back mat, vacuum the hallways. It's clean, but there's still a little bit of here and there. I'll get rid of that. So let me get to it, guys. Let me open my little storage here and, you know, start. So see, guys, this is what I'm talking about. I'm thinking of getting that Meta glasses, the one that has the recording. Reason for that is, look, I got this in my hand, I got the camera in the other hand. You know, I got my little pouch on me that I take the camera in. Sometimes I gotta open a door because now I got the camera in this hand, the right hand. I got this. I can't even open a door because both hands are occupied, right? I had to empty the garbage a while ago and I had to use my two hands, so I had to put the camera down just to do all of that. So if I have that glasses on, that Meta glasses on, I'll be able to record those short clips. I think it records up to like 3 minutes. So for the short clips of me using my two hands, I'll just record with that. It's not the best quality. It's not in 1080 and 4K and stuff like that, but it'll probably get what I need to show you guys, you know, recorded, you know, at a decent quality. So let me get going. Let me see. I gotta put you down on the shelf right there to talk to you, to use my two hands. So let me get going. I'm gonna get the vacuum going and, you know, just clean up real quick before everybody gets in. Stay tuned. I'm gonna get working. Alright, guys, so I'm here by the salon, not the salon, I finished with the salon, so I'm here by over by PEPPAZ at the gas station. So I had some stuff, electrical stuff. I put it inside. So, you know, I'm gonna probably need it for this to do some electrical. So it's like some wires and electrical boxes and connectors. There's a chance I'm gonna use it for in the ceiling when rearranging those lights. Gas station is pretty busy over here this morning. It's early, but it's pretty busy. As you can see, we got a lot of people at the pumps over there. It's a busy intersection. Hold on, let me. Yeah, this intersection right here, guys, it doesn't have an exit yet, but it's super busy. People drive through here. Some people drive through here just to get down on the other side of the town, so like down Lawrenceville area. This is Swanee, so they cut through here just to go to Swanee. So see this gas station, it's at a busy intersection, as you can tell. If you look way over there, I don't know if you could see, but the intersection is busy. So it's this busy, and there's no on-ramp, off-ramp to the highway yet. So highway 85, 85. It's a highway. It's an interstate. 85, I think. Yeah. So 85 is right less than a block down the road. So what happened is, they're building an off-ramp, an exit ramp on this road right here. So when that exit is finished, there's gonna be traffic right here, yo. It's gonna be a lot of traffic. The next exit up, it's a lot of traffic up there. There's a lot of food places, Walmart, all of that right up the street right here, the next block over. So I'm assuming they're putting an exit ramp up here to alleviate that traffic that exit up there, because anybody is coming around this road right here, they have to exit up there to come over on this road, right? So by putting an exit on this road, it'll kind of alleviate that traffic over there at Lawrenceville, Swanee, but it's gonna make this road much more busier, because if there's so much people driving over here already, look at that, just non-stop traffic, just running. It's now 8 o'clock in the morning, everybody's going to work. But if it's this busy now, just imagine when you have their own exit, you know what I'm saying? So this gas station is going to be much more busier. However, I'm not relying on the passerbys for the food. Yes, they'll see us and everything like that, that's all good, but I'm more relying on the corporate that's down this street, you know, all the way both 4 directions. They got corporate in all 4 directions on this corner. So I'm just seeing this area as a good area for lunch, you know, lunch and dinner, because they got residential as well in the area. So yeah, but yeah guys, it's just super busy over here. This intersection is just super busy. The gas station is pretty good, the prices here is not crazy, so people will come in. I bought diesel here as well. I think I'm just gonna get some gas here as well. Diesel price here is not too bad. Yeah. So, but yeah, it's you know, as I said, the area is pretty crazy busy. If you look, it's no matter what time, this intersection is just always busy. Even late at nights, you just always have someone at that stoplight, which is a good, you know, a good look. Yeah man, so I'm there, I finished my morning rounds. I'm done with the salon, cleaned up. It wasn't too bad over there. Came over here, dropped some stuff off, locked the doors. I'm ready to go. I'm just gonna head out and head back to the house, edit some videos. I gotta do some research in terms of some more equipment and stuff like that. Still waiting on the plans, guys. No plans yet, no plan approval yet. So hopefully today, tomorrow, I'm gonna get with the architect, see if he hears anything. Normally if he hears something, he'll pretty much let me know. He's pretty much on top of that. So far I haven't heard anything, or we haven't heard anything. So we'll check back in later and see if by the end of the day if there are any changes. Yeah, I don't know, guys. So yeah, let me get to it. I'm gonna head over to the house. I'm gonna insulate one of the rooms. I've been talking about it on the earlier video. I'm gonna insulate some rooms over by the salon right there. So I have some insulation in the trailer at the house, so I'm gonna go over there and take all those insulation out and put them in the back of this truck. So stay tuned, guys. I'm gonna head over there now, and sometime today I'm gonna take that insulation out, put it in the back of the truck. So stay tuned, guys. Alright guys, so I'm here. You know where we're at. Gas station, Walmart. Alright, I'm gonna go fill up this truck. the thing to let it pump by itself is broken, so I gotta hold it.
What the hell?
Yeah, I gotta hold it, guys. That little thing that, you know, you press to let it pump by itself. Broken. As usual, I'm only gonna put $50 in here because it costs around 120 to full this van. So I'm just gonna put $50. Got a receipt. $50, 14 gallons. So yeah, this is probably a little bit less. Uh-oh, somebody jumped the curb there. They turned in and went over the curb. Holy crap. They didn't see the curb. I could see where that could happen because it almost happened to me, to be honest. Yeah, almost happened to me. I came in and turned too early, and right there when you come in, if you're in a truck, you can't, if you're making that right turn, you won't see that curb right there. Let me show you. Right there where those cars turning in, if you turn in and turn in the gas station, that little piece of grass right there, it sticks out. So when I was coming in, I almost turned into it too. I didn't go over it, but the guy, he turned like he's turning up into the grass. Anyhow, we got fueled up a little bit, about half tank. As I say, it takes about 120 to full it with these gas prices. So normally I just put halfway, you know. I have to head out to get my daughter later. She is quite a bit away to pick her up at school, so I normally go through a lot of gas for those 3 days. So I have to go down there tomorrow, today and tomorrow. So that gas will do for that. On the weekends, I try not to drive this truck. I just park it. I only drive it when necessary, to be honest. So, yeah. Alright guys, so I'm gonna head on over. I'm in the Walmart parking lot, by the way. I'm gonna head home. Yeah, I'm gonna head home, get some video edited. Yeah, I'm gonna get some video edited and get the insulation out the trailer, stuff like that. So yeah, stay tuned guys. I'm on the road, I'm getting it done. Guys, see they got a lot of building going on still. See, I don't know, it says coming soon over there. It looks like a apartment building or something, but the sign says coming soon, Infra Prop Company. I don't know what they're building, but they got a lot of construction going on over here. Across from the Walmart, a lot of Big tractor trailers over there. Not tractor trailer, dump trucks. Yeah. And I got heavy equipment moving dirt. Got excavators working, putting in sewage. Construction going on, guys. Give them like 2-3 months, 2-3 months, and that will be, you wouldn't even know. You think it was there a long time ago, you know. That's how they build over here. They build real fast, 2 months, 3 months, a year, and that place is finished with trees, everything, growing trees and everything. You think it was there like forever, you know. But yeah, finish fueling up and heading on home. So it's early now, it's still 8:30. So I did all my rounds, left 6 this morning after 6 and did all my rounds, and now I'm heading back. It's just 8:30 in the morning. So this is the advantage of, hold on guys, let me pause this thing in my ears. So this is the advantage of getting up early, guys. I get up, did all my errands, get gas, you know, went over to the PEPPAZ project, you know, clean the salon, and it's now 8:30. So it's like some people just getting up right now to start their day. 8:30, just getting up to go get what I get done. I've already got up and get all those things done, you know what I'm saying, and heading home at 8:30. You know what I'm saying? So when you get up early and get stuff done now, however, if you have a 9-to-5 job, the job don't start until 9, you know what I'm saying? So it's not like you can get up early and go get that done. But I'm talking about people who are probably self-employed, people who, you know, work at their own leisure, or, you know what I'm saying? Get up early and go knock it out, guys. Knock it out, and then you'll be done by 8:30. You know what I'm saying? I find that when I get up early, I'll get things done in a shorter space of time. So what would take 5 hours to do when later in the day, it only take 2 hours to get done early in the morning. And the reason for that is when you move on around in the daytime, there's more traffic. You gotta stop, you gotta wait on somebody to park, you gotta, you know what I'm saying? So just moving around in the daytime when everybody's up versus moving around 6 in the morning is way, you don't waste that much time, you know what I'm saying? So people don't really think about those little things that make their day hard, you know what I'm saying? So for instance, you ain't eating McDonald's or eating driving through the drive-through early in the morning, right? You ain't doing that. But if you were supposed to do that in the early morning versus midday when there's a line, you get through quicker. So that's time, you know what I'm saying? You cutting down time, you get through quicker. It's like going to a government office or a DMV office early in the morning. You get through quicker than you go in the daytime. You gotta sit and wait, and people move slower, all sorts of stuff because they're tired. You know what I'm saying? The lines are longer in Walmart in the evening time versus the daytime because these people are tired. By the end of the day, they move slower. You know what I'm saying? So you gotta wait in line because that person is cashing slower. If you go to the farm market early in the morning, it's in and out, just quick in and out. If you go to the farm market in the midday or in the evening time, it's gonna be slow because that cashier is standing there all day. They're gonna move slower, you know, than in the morning time. Morning time, they full of energy, they're moving fast. So you'll get through in the morning time quicker with anything you do. That's just my thing. I've realized that and noticed that things that takes you 2 hours in the morning time will take you 3, 4, 5 hours in the evening time. No questions asked. If you really break it down and look into it, there's just more people here on the road, you know, more traffic. You gotta wait, takes you longer to get where you're going, while in the morning time, less traffic. You know what I'm saying? I mean, certain places in the morning time you're gonna have traffic regardless once they wake up, you know. at 6 o'clock in the morning, there ain't no traffic. You know, where I'm at, where you at, it may be traffic. You know what I'm saying? So you just gotta schedule your thing around what's going on in life. You know what I'm saying? You know, you just seem to get through quicker when you rise early. You know what I'm saying? Versus, you know, versus midday or evening time. You know, your brain move quicker, you think faster, you're not tired, so you can, you know, focus. You know what I'm saying? So that all those things make you move faster and get things done quicker. You know? However, if you're working a 9 to 5 and you have to do what you have to do at 9 or 10 or 11, then you have no choice. You know what I'm saying? Then the gas is cheaper over here than the diesel, the Valero. Yeah, guys. So you know, I'm just saying, you know, get up, get what you gotta do done early. If you got errands to run them early. You know what I'm saying? If you run them late, there's a high possibility that you won't get it done. You know, as quick. Yeah, so enough for this little chit chat, guys. I'm gonna head over to the house now. As I said, I appreciate the subscribers. Thank you very much for the subscribers, guys. I appreciate it. You guys are subscribing. A lot of people, the other day it got kind of slow, and you know what I'm saying, but it has picked up, and I appreciate the subscribers a lot. Thank you for subscribing. I hope you find what I'm doing interesting. You know, sometimes I feel like it's getting boring, but you know, I'll definitely step it up and see if I could get better content for you guys. But I appreciate the subscriptions, guys. Thank you. All right, so I'm home. I'm turning in. I'm probably gonna cut the lawn outside. It's looking kind of high out there, so I'm gonna give it a quick cut out there. You know, yeah, I'm gonna give it a quick cut. So stay tuned, guys. I'm gonna put the garbage out. Today's garbage day, so I'm gonna put the garbage out real quick. See, I gotta put those garbage cans on the outside. So stay tuned. Give me a second. Let me put that out. I'm quite sure I've done a couple of videos where I'm putting the garbage out, so I don't really need to show you that again today. I could just speak about it, you know. As I said, this is a life everyday channel, guys. It's a talking channel. I talk too much sometimes, but it is what it is. That's what this channel is about. Me talking to you guys, telling you what I'm doing, showing you what I'm doing. You know what I'm saying? So, you know, give me a minute, guys. I'm gonna put that garbage can out before the garbage can truck comes. Stay tuned. Well, I'm deciding to show you anyway. So let's get this empty. Alright, so this is the recycle bin. Let's do that one first. Guys, the other day someone hit the mirror. They hit their car mirror off. Yeah, so there's pieces of the mirror all over. There's a red car, broke the mirror. Take this garbage up, guys. Stay tuned.